All right, this thing makes a really bad noise and it only makes it an empty car, so let's see. Yeah, it's not being used right now. Listen to this. Yep, pretty frosty. Mind you though, we'll take this up again because I'm going to show you that it doesn't do that when it's an empty car. Or it only does that on an empty car. It doesn't do that with somebody in. So I'll stand in this position inside the car and then we'll take it up again. And then you'll see it will not make that sound. All right, I'm gonna stand here. See, notice since I'm standing here, now it doesn't make that awful vibration sound. All right, and I actually do have to go downstairs. So if you guys see a school report saying that this elevator is making sounds and you guys are not finding any sounds, that's because you're riding inside the car. It's not gonna make that sound when you're riding inside the car. Make sure the car is empty, call it up on the third, and then you'll hear the awful sound. And anyway, that's it. Because I mean, other than that, it runs fine.